about 2 days off now from our last trip, big trip. We've been doing some shopping, of course, because that's what my life consists of, is freaking buying rice and stuff. And right now, we're gonna make a video about preparing, because we're going to Bindoy tomorrow. And we have a lot of rice, a lot of stuff. I'll explain when we get there. We didn't get sardines this time, but anyways, we're going to our headquarters in Darwin, our friend's house. She has a big yard. We just been making that our headquarters. I called in the troops. We got some troops that, you know, I give 200 pesos to help us like pack rice, and not to mention all the tarps. How many? I think we have 120 tarps this time. Or no, we have 60 tarps this time, plus all the ropes and stuff. So it's too much work for us, small crew, to do. So we hired a, you know, you guys see the last videos. Anyway, let's get down there, because we got a little bit different food this time, and I'll show you what's going on. So the reason we are hiring kids in particular, or whoever, to help us is because we're exhausted. I mean, these trips are so big. We had 5 tons of rice to sort out into 5 kilo or 4 kilo bags on the last one, and it would take us 3 days to do with just the 3 or 4 of us. So we don't mind. You know, I don't remember if I filmed it, because I'm always exhausted, but I went to Alex's house to check on the progress and whatnot, which I'll be making a video soon. And I just kidnapped a whole bunch of kids. I kidnapped Alex's 2 daughters, and then she brought her friends, like 8 friends, and we gave them 200 pesos each to bag all that rice and to count all that rope. You know, 90 meters of rope each. 90 meters times, I think we had 140. So yeah, I don't mind giving them, that's the equivalent of $4, and it makes it so we could get a lot more done and help a lot more people. It's not a waste of money. So anyways, we're gonna go get the same people and start it all over again. So we're at the Divers of Darwin headquarters, packing everything. Our little Bulad army arrived. Get that away from me. Stinky fish. It's gonna be a little different today. So I think we have 14 bags of 50 kilos each. We're gonna do 3 kilos. Oh my god. No, seriously. What the fuck?
Come on, it's really good.
That's so disgusting, dude. Eat it.
No, this is like, you have to be raised up with this stuff.
Yeah.
Vikings, we eat dried fish a lot.
I was raised on Burger King, not stinky fish. You're not gonna eat that. You're not gonna eat. Oh my god. Don't do it. I mean, it can't taste worse than it smells, I guess.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Ah, Bulad? Oh my god.
It tastes good.
Yeah. They ate fermented shark, so I guess it's not much different.
Fermented shark, that's it I was talking about.
Disgusting, man. I about puked. So, like I was saying, oh my god.
Honestly, there's nothing wrong with that.
There's everything that I can think of wrong with it.
So bad. It is not.
So, 4 kilos of rice. And this time, instead of sardines, we got that stinky Bulad stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be like a luxury over there. Wow, that whole box of Bulad. And then instead of Canton noodles, We got, how many kilos is this?
1 kilo.
1 kilo of mungo beans.
One lucky family.
More nutritious than Canton this time.
Do we still have empty?
Oh, Instagrammer.
Yeah, some.
So our little rice army arrived, and we can get to work. Lots of stuff to pack. Oh, and we got salt. Every family get a kilo of salt as well in their food bags. Hello, Shy. You already tied it? We gotta put some we gotta put salt in there. So Vanilla is gonna double up the bags because 4 kilos of rice, 1 kilo of mungo beans, 1 kilo of nasty fish, and 1 kilo of salt. And the salt. Thank God the salt is already packed.
Like that.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good food bag.
Better.
Cool. And it's doubled up, so hopefully it don't break.
Yeah, much better.
That stinky fish is so nasty. We bought gloves, and the Filipinos don't even use them. Judea, how come you're not using the gloves? It's disgusting.
Ako? Kasi ako yung mo pala ako ang buong tuwa.
Sige. Traffic.
How's it going over there?
Traffic! Too fast!
I can't go fast. I got like one hand. I'm so useless. So you're putting Alex, you're putting them all back in the bags? Yeah. Easier to pack. Okay.
Oh.
Laika, I see you. I see you. You can't hide. Look inside the box. Sorry.
Don't disturb me. You're going to.
She's living the dream.
Saan? Sakto na. Ayun na, balik na. You're trying to.
She's living the dream with her stinky fish. So if you're living in Philippines, you already know what these are. My wife makes them all the time. It's actually pretty good. In soup, right? Onions. I don't know what she puts in there, but they're really good. And this 1 kilo, when you boil it or whatever, it explodes. It's like double the size almost. So this will feed a lot more people than 1 can of sardines or 2, and it's way cheaper. So yeah, that's our last. That's 100 kilos done. I hope there's something else to do besides bulag, because I'm not helping there.
Dan, you me picture ba?
Show me. What is that?
This is a good packet.
That's maybe. Wow, mungo beans and stinky fish. This is like a luxury. Oh, I see you. I see you. How many more salts? Just 20?
Huh?
Just 20?
There is already packed ones here. I guess.
I'm so useless when I have the camera.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm only half useless when I don't have the camera. Pizza's here. It's a good thing because they were about to riot.
Oh, did someone already take the pizzas?
Oh, you tried. What the heck? I was so confused. You're gonna take the pizza? Inday. Ah, that's too shy. Shy, you have to lead the way or they'll never eat. Ellie. Don't be shy or I'll steal it all. We deserve this break. We are in this one. I see you like a. We gotta eat, and then we got lots of tarps. You ready for some tarps? Yeah. Let me see that.
Yeah. It's inside.
Why don't we do it always the same? It worked perfectly before.
I didn't say you leave.
Yeah. Just let's do it always the same way. It works perfectly.
So this gang is measuring and cutting,
Huh?
and this one is folding.
Yeah.
The little family sizes. And this one is searching for stinky fish.
I don't need to. Because the fish